In the last part, we looked at how we could tweak our writing by changing the length or tone of the paragraph. Now let's take it one step further. Let's enhance the sentences by adding some special modifiers. My favorite one is to add dialogue. And yes, I could just go back to the start and choose the dialogue from the option and rewrite it. The difference here is we're telling the software to rewrite this text and adding some dialogue rather than just starting over. One interesting thing to add is a flashback. Now we can see that it's rewritten the text and added in this part here, flashbacks of all the times they had shared their deepest secrets and dreams flooded her mind. We can rewrite this as a rhyme, which might come in useful in some situations. We can add metaphors, similes, foreshadowing, and all sorts of literary devices. I encourage you to play around with this and see what interesting things you can come up with to enhance your story. For more information, visit ProWritingTools.com. What's your story?